In today's video, I'll show you how to create countdown in Notion. So for this, just go to google.com and in here type IDFi. This is the website. It has Notion widgets. Just go inside it. And after that, you can log in with your email address or just sign up. And after you successfully log in, you're gonna be brought to this dashboard. You can scroll down a bit. From here, you can pick up any widget you want. We want the countdown one, so we will go to the countdown one and click on create widget. Then just give it a title. I'll just name it countdown and click on continue. Then just give it some time. It will generate the new widget for you. And just wait. And you need to select the event date. Let's say, for example, I'll pick the next day at 12 a.m. and it's gonna preview the countdown over here. Let's select the further date so that it's a little higher number. So let's say September or October 9. And now let's see, it's 3 months, 1 week, 1 day. You can turn off the year if you want. It's not gonna show the year then. If you want, you can also turn down the month, week, and the hour, minutes, and seconds. Then it's gonna only show the days. It's gonna say 100 days to go or whatever days to go. You can also come here and turn on the dark mode to see the preview. And you can change the confetti. If it's completed, it's gonna show confetti. You can turn it off or turn it on. You can change the font type if you want. You can change it to something else. I like mono, so I'm gonna keep it mono. Or maybe let's just go with default. You can also select the text alignment where you want it. I'm gonna select center. You can also use transparent background if you have the paid plan. You can also give it a text shadow. Also set a color background if you want. And you can also change every single details in the image. For example, the numbers, the backgrounds, and everything if you want. And after that, you'll find a link over here. You just have to click on copy and it's gonna be copied to your clipboard. Then just head back to Notion and then just click on / to type commands and type embed. And then just go to embed. And it's gonna ask you to upload something or paste a link. So we will paste the copied link and click on embed link. Then just give it some time. It's gonna show the countdown over here. Just give it some time. And there you go. And we did not have the second. Let's get the second. It's going to show the change then. So let's get the seconds over here. Let's get the hours and minutes too, so that we can see some animation going on. So I'll just delete it. I'll just click on this and click on delete. And I'll just again type / embed. And then paste the link again and click on embed link. Then again, give it some time. And now, as you can see, it's going to say 100 days, 23 hours, and 56 minutes, and this much seconds to go for your whatever to end or start. So this is your countdown widget. That's basically it. And that's basically how to create countdown timer in Notion. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.